A stealthy EV startup with financial backing from Amazon founder Jeff Bezos is reportedly building a $25,000 electric truck. According to TechCrunch, Slate has been up and running since 2022 and quietly assembling a team of automotive experts from companies like Ford, General Motors, Stellantis, and Harley-Davidson. Drawing inspiration from the Model T Ford and the Volkswagen Beetle, the company hopes to introduce a two-seat EV pickup with a significantly lower price point than many of its competitors. In a market filled with the Ford F-150 Lightning, Tesla Cybertruck, Chevy Silverado EV, and Rivian R1T, with costs ranging between $50,000 and $90,000, a capable pickup at about half the price would likely be a welcome addition. But Slate's truck, which could enter production as soon as next year, sounds like it will be a base model with plenty of room for owners to sink more money into their vehicles for upgrades and customization. The report unearthed a trademark application from Slate for the tagline, "We built it, you make it." Underneath that is a massive list of goods and services that could apply, including underseat subwoofers, cup holder accent lights, front floor organizers, roof racks, and installation of decorative wraps. Slate's ideas have drawn several backers besides Bezos, including Dodgers owner Mark Walter and Thomas Tull, who is the lead investor of the Rebuild Manufacturing Incubator. The company also has experienced leadership. Christine Barman, who spent years in several different jobs at Chrysler, is Slate's CEO. The idea of a $25,000 EV has been kicked around by others in the industry. Back in 2020, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said an EV at that price point could be compelling. But late last year, he changed his tune, telling investors and analysts that building an electric vehicle and selling it for $25,000 would be, quote, silly and pointless. But as Tesla's sales continue to slide and China-based EV makers like BYD claim larger shares of the market, US automakers, including Slate, are probably seeing the value in building more affordable models. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.